This is the Aeropress coffee maker. It's the easiest coffee brew method that you can brew a delicious flavor-filled cup of coffee, either at home or in a coffee shop. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Brew the Barista. Today I'll be sharing with you the beginner's recipe on how to brew coffee using the Aeropress coffee maker. The Aeropress coffee maker was invented by Alan Adler in 2005. Each single day, people are developing the interest of brewing coffee using the Aeropress coffee maker. People love the Aeropress coffee maker because it's durable, it's affordable, it's very easy to use. It's not that complicated. You can easily travel with it anywhere and you can brew that amazing cup of coffee. It's very easy to clean. So I'll be sharing with you the recipe on how to brew an Aeropress coffee maker. Aeropress has basically three parts. It has the Aeropress chamber, the Aeropress branch, and also it has a lid. It also comes with a microfilter which fits inside the lid. So we'll start by pre-wetting our paper filter. And also we'll need to pre-wet our Aeropress chamber. This will help us to keep the consistency of the temperature, and also since we are using a slightly lower temperature because our water we're boiling it on 88-degree temperatures. So for our recipe we're going to use 14 grams of coffee. We'll just weigh our 14 grams. Then we'll grind our coffee beans on a slightly finer size than even the dripping coffees. So as you can see, we've grinded our coffee. It's more fine than even for that of a V60. You can compare it to table salt, the particles. So we'll use an Aeropress funnel so that we can pour in our coffee grinds into the Aeropress. You shake it a bit so that you can have it evenly spread in the Aeropress. Our first pour is 50 ml of water on 30 seconds. Then we'll pour in our second pour, which is 150 ml of water on 1 minute and 30 seconds. So we'll start our timer. So we're going to pour in 50 ml, a first pour. Roughly in 10 seconds, we should be done with the 50 ml. Then we'll let it sit until 30 seconds. At 30 seconds, we will give it a gentle stir of our coffee to ensure like all the coffee is wet with the water until 40 seconds. At 40 seconds, we'll pour in our 150 ml of water, roughly until 1 minute. After pouring in our 150, we'll cover our Aeropress. Then we'll wait until 1 minute and 30 seconds. At 1 minute and 30 seconds, we'll flip our Aeropress. We'll shake it a bit to remove the grains which are stuck on the sides. Then we'll give it a gentle press until all the coffee is being brewed out of our Aeropress. When it's done, you'll hear a hissing sound. That will show like it's really done. Then here's our coffee. So for our coffee, we used an Ethiopian coffee, so you should expect a fruity and juicy cup. I'd recommend if you're brewing an Aeropress to go for the fruity coffees, especially the Ethiopia, Colombia, and Kenya. They are the perfect one for making our Aeropress. So by following this recipe step by step, you can brew an amazing cup of coffee, and it's very easy. You just need to pour in 50 ml of water on 30 seconds, stir for 10 seconds, then pour 150 until 1 minute and 30 seconds, press until 2 minutes. That will be your total brew time and the total output. So this is the simplest recipe that we often recommend to our beginner baristas or our customers who have just got the Aeropress, so that they can have that amazing cup of coffee. This coffee is really amazing. It's fruity and it's really juicy. It gives you the perfect cup of coffee. So for any questions, you can link it below. I will be grateful to answer every question. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up for me, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. I hope you have a nice